If you're here, maybe something's been bothering you about your skin. Maybe it's acne, signs of aging, or a mole that has you worried. You shouldn't have to feel unsure about your appearance or skin health, but it can be overwhelming to try and find safe and effective treatment. We've talked to women who have had poor experiences, overfilled lips, uneven Botox, or aggressive treatments that didn't suit their features. Too many med spas treat skincare like a trend and not the medical process it is. And this can leave you with results that look overdone or even jeopardize your health. At Element Dermatology, we're bringing medical and aesthetic care under one roof because you can't separate them. In both branches, we prioritize patients' health above everything else. As a board-certified dermatologist with several decades of experience in skincare, I personally oversee both the medical and aesthetic sides of the clinic to ensure that you receive safe, quality care that is customized to your unique needs. We train rigorously, implement proven technology, and skip the unproven trends. From Botox and dermal fillers to advanced laser therapies and skincare protocols, each treatment is grounded in evidence-based medicine. Our team understands skin and facial anatomy at the deepest level, which allows us to create results that are not only safe, but nuanced, natural, and never overdone. Clients come to us not just for results, but for peace of mind. They know they're receiving physician-led care tailored to their individual goals, not a one-size-fits-all solution. Your confidence shouldn't suffer from rushed or unqualified care. Get expert, physician-led treatments that leave you looking naturally refreshed and feeling yourself again.